go.
Hi students, today we are going to learn new chapter, measures of length. Okay, this is very interesting. Even we use measurement by using our own body parts. Okay, in earlier days those things were used. For example, we used handspan. From here to here. If I can measure this marker, I can use this handspan, one handspan. Okay, like that. Foot span also we can measure from heel to toe. One footstep, 1 foot. Okay, we used to say 1 foot, that is foot span, that is 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot. You may be heard elders used to say 3 foot, 4 foot, like that. Okay, even when we buy bed and all, we say 6 foot. Okay, you have learned in 2nd standard, that is cubit, from here to till the elbow, from here to till the elbow, 1 cubit. If I can measure the length of the board from here to till here, 1, from here to here 1, and from here to 2.5 cubit. Okay, so we used our own body parts to measure, okay, in the earlier days. But we need one common measurement, common unit worldwide, isn't it? Then only we can understand what others are saying. Isn't it so? If I speak always about handspan, someone is speaking about something else, so we cannot understand. Isn't it? So we need some common units, that is called standard units. So standard unit of length which is used worldwide is meter. It is used worldwide is meter. Okay, this is already you have learned in previous classes. Okay, now with that we are going to learn few more units. Okay, because we may have to measure even the small length, we may have to measure even the larger length. So for everything we cannot use only one unit, isn't it so? For example, if I have to measure the length of this duster, I have to measure the length of this duster. Okay, so this can be measured a little smaller unit of meter. 1 meter is this much bigger. 1 meter is this much bigger. So if this one is lesser than that, so we can use smaller unit. If I have to measure certain distances from place to place, like Firozabad to Agra, this one I cannot measure by meter. Okay, that I have to take little more bigger units like a kilometer. Okay, so we have to learn different units. So that we are going to learn metric system. Once you understand this one, it's very easy to convert from one unit to other unit. So listen carefully. Okay. So here now we are going to learn metric system. So this one standard units we told meter. So this one we will keep as main. Okay, this is the main unit. This is the standard unit. Okay. Now bigger than this we have decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Decameter, hectometer, kilometer. We have 10 differences in between. We have 10 differences. From here you see 10 difference. From here to 10 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 10, 100. Here again 100 multiplied by 10, 1000. 100 multiplied by 10, 1000. So 10 multiplied here. 10 differences are there. Okay. But smaller than meter. Let us go to smaller than meter, that is decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. to find smaller units, we are dividing by 10. To find bigger units, we are multiplying by 10. To find smaller units, we are dividing by 10. Okay. So here 10 divided by 10, and for centi 10 more, that means 10 multiplied by 10, 100. Okay. 100 divided by 100, and here divided by 1000. Okay. The main thing is you have to learn these units order wise, so you can easily convert from one unit to another unit. For example, meter, in between meter, and this side 3 units and this side 3 units. Okay. Now bigger than meter. Now you are going to find bigger units of meter. Okay. That is decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Decameter, you can repeat after me so that you will be clear. First, meter is in the middle, so that is standard units. Now bigger than meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Okay. From here to here, 10 differences multiplied by 10. Okay. From this side, you are going to smaller side. That means you are going to divide by 10. You are going to divide by 10. Okay. Here also 10 differences, but here you are going to divide to find smaller units. Here after meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. These things you have to remember. Okay. Now, how to find whenever we convert the numbers, even in 3rd standard you have learned, whenever you convert the units, first thing you write the measures of those units. Okay. So how to write the measures? Okay. Let us see here kilo, and here standard unit meter. Let us write for meter now. Okay, 1 kilometer, in short form we say km, kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to, from here to here, how many differences? 10, 10, 10. That means 1000, 30. So, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Have you got it? Now again, this is hecto, 100. So, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Okay. Now, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Have you got it? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10, 10, 10. Okay, 1000 differences. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Only if you know these units order wise, you can make your own measures. You can make your own measures. No need of by hearting anything. Okay. Then 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. यहाँ से 110 or एक 10. Okay. 10 multiplied by 10, 100. So 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Okay. Then 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. Here only the next unit. So 10. Now here let us see the smaller units. Let us see the smaller units. So here 1 meter is equal to, what is the next one? Decimeter. That means 10. 10 differences. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay. How I wrote the formula, you understood? You have to watch the video again and again. You will understand better. Until you watch only once, because I am not able to repeat again and again. So you have to watch again and again. Okay. Now see here how I have written the formula? Here 10 difference, here 10 difference, here 10 difference. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 110, 210, 310. 10 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 10. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. So the bigger length of meter is over. Now the smaller length. Okay, the smaller length than meter is 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay. And another thing, when you convert, one more thing you have to remember, when you convert from kilometer to meter, if you think they have given 10 kilometer. Okay, now you have to convert that one into meter. 10 kilometer, that you are going to convert into meter. Okay, from bigger one to smaller one, when you are converting, when bigger one to smaller unit, from bigger unit to smaller unit, when you are converting, you have to multiply. Okay, in the money also, when you convert from rupees to paise, you multiplied. When you convert paise to rupees, you divided. The same thing, from bigger unit to smaller units, you have to multiply. From smaller unit to bigger unit, anywhere you take. From smaller unit to anywhere you take, then you have to divide. These things you have to remember. Have you got that? Now, for example, let me tell you. Now they have given 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer. I have to convert this one into meter. Okay. Now let me write the formula. Kilometer and meter, you know the formula. What is that? Connecting with the kilometer and meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So I have written the formula. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Now, you know that the bigger to smaller, you know that the bigger unit to smaller unit you are going to change. That means you have to multiply. That means 5 multiplied by this 1000 meter. Then 5000 meter. This is the answer. Have you got it? Once again I am repeating. You have to remember these orders. Kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. Once again, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. Okay, only these things you remember. When you remember these things, you know that 10 differences. 10 differences means you know जितना 10 है उतना 0. ठीक है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 3 0. ठीक है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10. Okay, so 10 means 30. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. And here same thing. 1 meter is equal to, यहाँ पर मैंने बड़ा यूनिट को इस साइड लिखा है, इसलिए मुझे डिवाइड करके लिखने के लिए जरूरत नहीं पड़ा. ठीक है, अगर मैंने यहाँ पर छोटा लिखे और इधर बड़ा लिखा तो छोटे से बड़ा करने का टाइम डिवाइड करना पड़ता है कि नहीं. अगर छोटा लिखे बड़ा करना है तो मुझे डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव रिटन डेसीमीटर दिस साइड, दैट मीन्स 1 decimeter is equal to if I am writing the smaller units this side, 1 decimeter is equal to, and let me write how many meters. This 10 will be written like this. Okay, if I am changing smaller unit to bigger unit, then I have to write in this way. Here I have written everywhere bigger units, so directly I have written 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, if I have to write just reverse, so I is supposed to write like this. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Okay, have you got it? Watch this video again and again. In the next video, we will continue how to calculate. But still, I gave you one example. You can try it by yourself. In the next video, we are going to solve the question. We are going to do the conversion question. Okay, bye.